Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So the purpose of my channel guys is to create, share and do some tutorials like computer, uh, cell phone, like welding. Okay, so today I will show you how to reformat a computer or laptop. So I just bought a laptop just today guys. So this laptop is 11 years old. So I bought this today for $90 here in Canada. So I bought this laptop for a tutorial purpose. So I invest $90 for my tutorial just to show you how to reformat or upgrade an old version of software. So this is a Lenovo G550 550 Lenovo G5550. So manufactured since 2009. So the laptop is very old. 11 years. So the software of this laptop guys is Windows 7 Home Premium. So by 64-bit version. So I will upgrade it into Windows 10 by 64-bit. So as you know guys, since this year Microsoft Corporation launched that Windows 7 will not be supported anymore by 2021. So I decided to use the latest version of Windows 10. So I will reformat it. I will show you how to upgrade this old laptop into Windows 10. Okay, so before I will do the reformat, I will show you that this is an old version. You can see. Oh, I hit the light. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, but it's written and the Windows was in French. So okay. Lights is the lights. And it's Windows 7. This is very old guys, right? But this laptop is work perfectly. Even all is functionally well. Right? So you can see this Windows 7 by 64-bit Home Premium. The Wi-Fi is work perfectly and the Windows works great. So what I have to do now is to upgrade this laptop into Windows 10. So right now I have a bootable USB drive. So this is bootable USB. So with Windows 10 software. So this is I will be using this to install the software of Windows 10 here in the Lenovo G550. So let me get on. This is an old, right? Old. I bought it at $90. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's start the tutorial. tips on how to upgrade your old version laptop to Windows 10. Okay, so first I have the USB bootable. So you must have one of these. So what you're gonna do is shut down the computer or the laptop first. You have to shut down this, and you can go with Alt F4 just to make it quick. Yeah, so Alt A4 and go for just okay. And it will shut down. So I am excited to reformat this, guys, because I will use this laptop also for my live streaming, like fishing and YouTube. You know what I mean, guys. So when we talk about gaming, a laptop gaming in this version is not a gaming laptop. It's just for an office use, school use, like Zoom, Skype, YouTube, watching YouTube. Yes, but games, I don't recommend this laptop. It's an old, very old, man. Shutting down. Let's wait a moment. So if you're watching this, guys, it's the very big help for you. So just keep your eyes on it, and if some 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 of my tutorial you don't understand, you are free to comment below in the comment section of the video. So I will reply you as soon as possible. It's very normal to very hard shut down in this type of laptop. It's very long wait. Before I will start, guys, to reformat the computer, make sure that your charger is plugged in. Okay, so don't trust the battery of your laptop, because sometimes reformatting your computer or laptop will too long. For example, this laptop is very slow, so it will take like 1 hour to reformat this, or 40 minutes like that, or 50 minutes. So be sure to plug your charger of your laptop. Okay, go. Then after plugging the charger of the laptop, plug your USB flash drive with the Windows 10 installer. Okay, so right here, man. Okay. Plug your USB here, and then just plug it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so plug it, and after you plug the USB, turn on the power, and after your laptop flashing on, please long press the deal or F1. Okay, deal and F1 to go for BIOS settings. Deal or F1, press the deal F1 to go to BIOS settings. Okay, I will on, make it on, because this is old, guys. So your driver USB drive is not don't have a latest version of USB, so I will try the old USB of mine. Okay, right here. Does it out? Oh no, no, no. I've been trouble for the USB. Okay, so YouTube again. Yes, there is, guys. Perfect. So he read now my USB. So after he read your USB, guys. So let's see. You know what? The heck? I'll take a grab picture of this. Okay, so that's it, guys. So there we go. So my USB HDD generic storage device. So if you say this after pressing the F12 or del, choose your USB HDD generic storage device. Okay, that's it. And press enter. Okay, press enter. So it must be loading the software now. Okay, that's the software now. The Windows 10, the Windows 10, guys. So it's perfect. It's perfect. I hope it will success the way I expected now. Okay, so like an old version, guys, in your laptop, sometimes it will just read the old version of USB, like 2.0 USB. So he can read that because this is an old. So my USB is an old one, and the laptop is an old too. So it could be the driver will be compatible with the laptop. So there you go. This is the software now. So this is now my Windows 10 software, guys. Okay, this is now my Windows 10 software. So I will take a video for this just to be fair with you guys. Okay, so that you can understand well what I am supposing to do here. Okay, so after you see this window, so after you see this window, just choose next. Okay, just choose next. And if you are do you want another language, you can choose like Arabic, like Japan, like Korean, whatever. But for me, I do always in English. Okay, so just click next. Just click next, and after that, install. After that, install. Okay, click install. So after you click install, guys, so the setup will start. Okay, so that's it. After you click install, the software or your computer will set up is starting. The setup will start. Okay, okay, so after the Windows configure your computer, just accept the license and terms of your Windows. So accept the terms of the license and hit click next. Click next, guys. Click next. Okay, then after you click next, don't 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 click the upgrade install Windows and file settings and application. Instead, choose of custom install Windows. Okay, and uh, after you so pardon me. So here we go, the partition part. Okay, where do you want to install your Windows? Okay, so for me, I already had a partition. Okay, so I will just install my Windows. So it's optional, guys. So do you want have a partition or not? So it's up to you. But for me, I want a partition because this laptop had a partition done already by the first owner of this laptop. Okay. So after you see the partition, so just click the primary, the drive option 2. So before you click it, be sure to reformat it. Okay. Before you click next, be sure to reformat the drive that you want to install the Windows. Okay. Just click the format. Okay. So it will erase all your documents, your if there is a virus in your hard disk or hard drive, it will erase all the virus if you format your computer laptop or computer. Okay. So I will hit now the format. I will hit OK. So wait. So wait until it will be done formatting before you hit next. Okay. This is good. This is good. So after the format, guys, you can go ahead and click next. Okay. Click next. Yeah. Okay. So now the Windows is installing a software in your laptop. Okay. So all you have to do, guys, is to wait until it finish, until it 100% or finishing up. That's it. So wait until the Windows will completely finish to install the Windows that came into your USB drive. Okay, don't touch anything, guys. Don't touch anything or disturb anything, so that the installation of the Windows will completely installed in your laptop. Okay, fair. So thanks to YouTube. YouTube is a very great help for us. There's so many tutorial in YouTube like I did it now. Okay, so it is 50% now, guys. 50%. I need you some time so that you will see if the installation the Windows is 100% compatible in this old version of laptop. But for me, in my knowledge, this laptop can be compatible with Windows 10. Okay. And one more thing, if your laptop is a 64 has a 64-bit processor, you must have also a Windows 10 software with 64-bit operating system. Okay, it must be compatible. Okay, if your laptop has a processor of 32-bit 32-bit operating system, and you must avail also the 32-bit software of Windows 10 so that it will be compatible. Okay, so if this go to 100%, then after he go to 100% for getting files ready for installation, he will install the features, installing updates, and after installing updates, it will finishing up. It's 100%. Okay, getting files ready for installation, installing features, and after that, installing updates. Yes, installing updates. Done finishing up. So after finishing up, the when the your laptop will be restart. Okay, so take note, guys. So after restarting your laptop, so the Windows will be installed. Okay, restart will be installed now in your computer. Okay, so after that, hit again the F12 button. Hit again the F12 button after restarting. Okay, hit F12. Okay, so at this part, guys, you don't need to choose now or select your USB HDD drive. Okay, take note, after restarting or finishing up your Windows, press the F12 button after restarting before the Windows will pop up. So if you see this, after pressing the F12, do not select your USB HDD drive. Okay, you must select now your hard drive. So hard drive of your laptop or computer. So mine is an Hitachi. Okay, so I will select now the Hitachi. Enter my the drive of my the HDD drive of my laptop. Yes. Okay, just press enter, guys. Just your Windows is now loading the software. It's perfect, guys. It's perfect. So I finally upgrade the 11 years old laptop. So guys, so this is now the starting point of the installing your Windows. So after he set up your Windows, so he will start with region. So choose your region where you live, your in United Kingdom, United States, and Canada, or somewhere in the country. So for me, I use United Kingdom, so I will just click next. I will hit next. Yes. Just a moment. And the next one is your keyboard. If you want English India, Canadian multinational. Okay, so I will still use the United Kingdom. Okay, it's better for me. Okay, yes. This is an optional, guys. If you want add some layout of your keyboard, if you want to add some layout of your keyboard, you can add. Want to add a second keyboard? It's optional. It's up to you. But for me, I will just skip for it. Moment, just a moment. Who's going to use this PC? So of course me. It's grass. Of course me. Of course, type your name. Okay, cross your email and click next. If you want a password, you can write a password there. Okay, so we'll just hit this password. Okay, so right now I will not put the password. Okay, but it's optional, guys. So do more across bases with activity history. I will just click no. Get help from your digital assistant. I will just decline. I will accept it as Cortana. So accept it, guys. It's Cortana. It's your digital assistant. Her name is Cortana. There we go. Hi, hello. We're getting everything ready for you. Where are you, Cortana? Okay, this might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Okay. If you forward this badge, because you will not be the information that I will give to you will not be fully be understand to you. Okay, leave everything to us. Don't turn off your PC. Okay, almost there. Yes, your old laptop, guys, is now Windows 10. It's perfect. Look at this. What a nice old version laptop. It is Intel Pentium inside. Okay, that's perfect, guys. Perfect. A very perfect tutorial that many of you will learn a lot. Just Windows 10. Look at this. Look at this, guys. It's perfect. 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 Okay. Everything is fine, guys. Everything is work perfectly. So, guys, thank you again for your time. I hope you learned a lot. You learned how to reformat your computer and your laptop. I hope you learned. Okay, so I really invest this for you guys. I really invest. So I buy a laptop, for an old laptop, just to show you how how to reformat your computer or laptop, or how to upgrade your old version of laptop. So if you have an old version of laptop now, just don't sell it or throw it in a way, or keep it in your drawer. I advise you to upgrade it in Windows 10. Okay, so it will be used. It will be used 100%. It will be used in online school, like watching YouTube. Okay, so that's it, guys. So, guys, once again, thank you for your time and effort to watch this video. This is a long video, but it is worth for you guys. It's worth. I told you, it is very worth to watch. Okay, so if you're watching it now, just please do subscribe my channel and support my channel if you like. And if you don't like my channel, you can you can do not subscribe. Okay, so guys, thank you, and may God bless us all, and stay away from COVID, stay at home, and be patient, guys. God will find an answer of all problem, and we will pray that COVID-19 will be gone this year. Okay, so I hope 2021 will be a great year for us. Okay, so stay safe and stay at home. That's it, guys. Thank you, and God bless us all. So